Hi everyone. Hi Satinder.
Hi
Good
Rashni.
evening, and
Good
thank
evening.
you. And many thanks to Moms Believe. Such an enriching workshop, and this is a very dear topic. As a professional, just a one question that I face challenge. Uh, see, we all know that early years are very important. Early intervention is very important, and I also work with young toddlers. But there is a challenge, when it comes to parents and parents acceptance and parents denial, that my child is having some problem. So then it becomes really a challenge to counsel them and telling that your child has some problem. I mean, that is the time I really, so I am a parent also. Then I get also sometimes emotional, but now I've gone, now I've learned.
Mm.
So how to, aware the parents. This is the difficult, very difficult for me as a professional
So
to.
Rashni, you are more like a colleague, right? And
I
you have, yeah. So
yeah
you said you're a parent, you're a special educator. And
yeah
I know working from a school setup, especially, when it comes to parents, first reaction is always like denial. No, it
mm,
can't be my child. Why somebody is telling there is any delays? So
mm,
the whole idea of these workshops we've decided is to make more public awareness. Because
right.
when we are working, we started this program and we are struggling to make parents understand that 2.5 years of age the child is totally self-absorbed, not interacting the child, we should seek help.
Mm,
And I'm sure you will validate our point, because how, what is the role, because that is the age when we can really kind of mitigate the symptoms, we can work with the children. So I'm thank you for reassuring that both as a parent and as a professional in this field, that parents need to be aware that there is no need to take a setback. It
mm,
is the time to, because there is a solution out. There is therapies out, because sometimes we also get parents who are reaching out to us, we do tell them, no, this is not a milestone difficulty, or this is just frivolous issues, we can deal with it with the parenting thing. But children who need help should take help as early as possible. And parents, I think किसी को भी होगा, first will be very difficult to absorb, but that stage should not long for a very long time, कि आप 6 महीने 1 साल बैठे हुए हो उसके साथ and
mm,
just sitting in a denial. Because then,
mm.
because it is a professional parent partnership, और वो जब तक नहीं होगी, तो it is very difficult to achieve that.
True. And hats off to you that you guys are doing a great job. I mean, creating awareness, and I keep looking your Facebook account. I mean, the post. So I attended Temple Grandin also. That was wonderful. So thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
It's very reassuring. Thank you,
Yeah,
Rashmi.
thanks.
right? So I think again, exposure is the key, right? The more exposure to new things, like I said, storybooks is very important. I think introducing reading and storybooks, even if it's the parent reading to the child, is a very important skill that should be incorporated in parenting, right? Okay, so we have another question from Nivedita. I'm a behavior therapist. Mom's Belief is doing a great job. Okay, it's not a question. Thank you so much. By spreading awareness around the world about childhood disorders and early intervention, these webinars would really help many parents and children. Thank you so much, Nivedita.